Chris, how am I? Pull up in a Benz, how am I? Slide my dick, how am I? I just need a check, how am I? Fool me to this whip, how am I?
The ones that come with them are fine.
But then can you also
my love. Thank you. Wacheka. Spanish is Spanish. Thank you. There's a match? For what? What's playing? Oh, citrus mix? What is that? What are you gonna get? Still checking. There's too many options, man. Hey. Hey, what it is, gang? It's your girl Cash Kitty. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I'm back again with another vloggy vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, sweetie. You know I love you. You know I love you, right? You know I love you. So let me sit you on your new seat, your new tripod. Let me put you right over there so you can have stability. Let's see if it works, because I bought it at Bestie and why you eating my chain? Hi guys, so we went to Bestie and we're gonna unbox what we got at Bestie. Let me put this over here. So we got a selfie stick because you need to be more stable, right? So this is for you. This is your little chair, you little baby. Sit down. It was $159 and it's from Hoko. Guys, keep on my chaining. So at this point, work with me, okay? So apparently I have 2 weeks to return if it's not working proper, because I also got some other items like speakers and stuff. So yeah, you have 2 weeks return policy. Just keep your slip. Quench your thirst, guys. This is not even a Cappy advert. Mara, Cappy, you need to sponsor me just for this drink. Anyway, back to the haul, girl. So, our selfie stick in it. We were fighting with sellotape behind the scenes, but we finally got it. Ow. It's still not opening. Okay, there we go. Your chair's coming. Sit your little bum down. Sit your little bum down. You need to be stable. Woo, everything done fell. Woo. Okay, what is this? Accessory. It's written in Chinese now. How must I know? Repair date. Oh, it has maintenance records. Okay. Oh, it's the warranty card. Okay. So remember we said 2 weeks. You have only 2 weeks to come back to Besco and return it if ever there's a problem or ask for a refund. Warranty card is from Hoko itself. I don't know, guys. We're still gonna read. Maybe it has warranty. I have my 1 year warranty. Most electronics is 1 year or 2 years. So we'll go through that. And then you also have a manual of how to use it, which we are gonna need because I have a feeling everything is in Chinese, bro. Everything's in Chinese, bro. Okay. So this is what it looks like. I hope y'all can see. It comes in this little case. Oh, cutie. Oh, cutie. Oh, cutie. Oh, okay. Oh, check that out. Oh, it's just like portable. Like you can literally, it's portable, guys. You can pack it in your bag. So, let's see what Hoka got for us, guys. This is what it looks like. Let's just play around because me and Manuels, we are not friends. If you look at these, you can open them up like that. So that's where the phone would go. Ah, does it stretch? What if my phone doesn't? Ooh, it stretches, baby. Check this out. Okay, so it stretches to fit your phone. And then can you? Yes, you can. Okay, so you can change it up. Either portrait or landscape. Oh, okay. So this we figured out. That's where the phone goes. Now, what the hell? Okay, I'm seeing something here, guys. But I don't know if I switch it on. It said detachable. Oh man, yan. Detachable remote control button. Okay, so this is the remote. This is where you switch it on and stuff, and you can slide it up like that and take out the remote. So I'm assuming it's one of those tripods where you can put your phone and put it over there and then step back and do whatever you're doing, and you can literally click. If you're taking a picture, you can click while you're far from the tripod. You know what I mean? Okay, so this is detachable, and then the legs, they have this, so you can, okay, there we go. So you can open it up like that, and then put it one talohanya. That way it's stable. Like you can adjust the legs like that. Aye. Guys, you're about to be stable. Sit your bum down on this chair. Sit it down. Cause what? I'm tired. Imagine me. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. While I'm walking around, guys, I'm gonna get mugged. This is South Africa. We don't play that game. December, boss. Put your phone away. Put your phone away, oh. And then you close it up like that, and you put it in your bag. Done so. And shout out to Shane, the brother, because he's the videographer right now. So we forgot to put it on, right? I wonder what this does. So let's see. Oh, okay. It's just blinking. Guys, this remote is so tiny. Okay, so it just switches on like that. Okay, so let's read the manual and find out what this actually does. It takes videos too! Whoa!
So you won't have to just press it.
Yeah, it's not just for photos. Guys, so you are on the tripod right now. As you can see, you're more stable. You're more stable, baby! This is worth the money. $159. Go get it at Besco. So this little remote, it connects via Bluetooth, né? So you're gonna connect it, and the name is, what's the name, Popo? Hoko
Hoko
K20. Okay, so when you connect, it's Hoko K20. You just have to press it for 3 seconds. It's gonna switch on and start blinking, and then you're gonna connect on your phone. And then once that's done and it's paired and connected, you can use this button to press. So you press once if you want to take a picture, or you can go to video and press it to start your video, which is what we did just now. Like, okay, so our baby stands as we saw on that clip. So to extend it and make it longer, what you're going to do is you're going to twist this, you loosen it, and then you just twist to the desired length that you want, depending on how long you want it to be, guys. So yeah, and then to close it, same thing, you just twist down. So that's it for our tripod, guys. Today, Kitty Tuesday, December. It is a Tuesday. I do have work tomorrow, but it is my best friend's birthday. So, of course, we have to do something for her. Initially, we planned to do vision boards for 2026. So, she's going to come to my place. But unfortunately, because Kachai a lady, I wasn't able to print out some pictures. I do have pictures, but I couldn't print them out. So, I got posters. Let me just show you what I got from DIY. I got posters to stick the stuff on, and then I also got some glue, and I got scissors because I only have one pair in the house. So I have all the material that I actually need except the pictures. So clearly vision board is not gonna work today, but she is gonna come to my place. So we're gonna have a chilled night. She's at News Cafe right now, and Mugele doesn't seem like she's coming, and she said she was coming, Mara, she hasn't left because I just called her. So I'm gonna request now and go meet her at News Cafe, and then we're gonna see how tonight goes. We're gonna come back together. I did also buy a bottle of wine because I thought we were gonna chill in the house. So I bought KWV Merlot is on special, so it was out of stock, and that's our favorite bottle. So I just got the Spear Merlot, and then I got a couple of things for her gift. I got her flowers. Oh, and these are lilies. Those are her favorite. She loves them. So I got her some flowers as well. And then for gifts, I just got, so I'm going to create like not a gift box, because it's not a box, man. Or one of the gift bag type thing. I got some sweeties for her. I got chocolate. I got pretzels because she loves those. And then I also got her perfume. Hold up. Okay, so I got her this perfume, the London. Oh my goodness. Pret Porter. It smells amazing. It smells amazing. I wish I had enough money in my budget because I would have got one for myself. So yeah, I'm going to put all of that in a gift bag, and I also have some pink tissue paper. So yeah, we're going to go to News Cafe now because the Uber is 5 minutes away. And yeah, we're gonna go and see what the vibe is there. All I care about is just seeing her on her birthday. So we're gonna package this gift real quick, grab the flowers, grab a jacket because it's raining heavy outside. And then yeah, we're gonna see. It is what it is. Stay tuned. Happy birthday, Amu, if you're watching this. Happy belated, friend. Okay, so you know what I'm thinking next? I'm thinking in this gift bag, I did say I got her glasses. So I'm going to take some of these glasses from my stock. Stay tuned, guys. I'm working on a side hustle. I'll be selling sunglasses. I'm still trying to stock more and figure out how I'm going to brand it. But yeah, I have these glasses. So these. And I know she loves them. So I do have an extra pair for her specifically. So I'm gonna give her that. I'm gonna add it in the gift and the blue version as well. Yo, these are fire, guys. Like, these are fire. So stay tuned. Let me know if you like them, and then I can stock more of the style that you like and support your girl like small business way. 2026 is about to be my year. I'm telling you. 2026 is my year to make money. It's my year to go big. Okay. So I'm going to include those in the gift, and then yeah, let's head out. Mara, now I don't know. Must I go to News Cafe with the flowers and the gifts? Or must I just leave it here because she said she's gonna come back home with me, so then she can just get the gifts haafitla. You know what I mean? Instead of carrying all of that there. And it seems loud and there's music and everything, so of course it's like more of a chilled drinky vibe. So I get it, because last year I came to Granite, which is basically a sophisticated tavern with flowers. So trust me when I say I can literally pull up with flowers, go groove. Mara, like, I'm thinking if she's coming back home with me, I might as well leave them here. I don't know. What do you guys think? Ish. Ke ditlogele ne? Ugh. I don't know. But yeah, so far that's what it looks like. I think I should leave them here at home and I'll give it to her when she gets here. Since she is sleeping over, tomorrow could be the day for the vision board. So stay tuned. I might be vlogging that as well. And then tomorrow I do have an appointment for dermatology testing. Remember I told you about my whole face situation, so we're gonna go see the doctor tomorrow. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. We have a consultation session at 2:30 in the afternoon, so we're gonna go to work and then we're gonna leave work earlier so that we can actually go see the doc. And then yeah, so more coming up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you so much, baby. Stay tuned. Go tlo nna bed. Lena. Batsana ba botlhe. Le reka eng go garage? Le gale ke letsatsi la gago. Ke itimale. Go bora mo. Are you ready? Yes. Woo!
It's a shampoo Tuesday.
It's actually busy.
Hey! Happy, 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 happy.
On the floor. On the floor. On the floor. Pasok mo na.
Once I'm my husband. But that would be absolutely devastating. I'm sorry. I'm like, oh yeah, you go, girl.
from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you attention. Bad and bullshit. I got that as a hand around true.
I'm down tight. Bad bitches is the only thing that I like. Pull up in a Benz, how am I? Slide my dick, how am I? I just need a take, how am I?